Hello everyone. I hope all are doing great. Today is an another demo for Microsoft Dynamics ERP, which is called as a F&O. And I'm going to tell you a new feature which was developed by Microsoft and released recently. And other than that, like we are going to discuss like what exactly this D365 vendor technical and how the feature is going to be. And in this we have two types, like functional and technical, and which one would be good, and what are the packages, and how are the opportunities, like how many jobs that is available. So these are all things which we are going to discuss in this video. So just coming to the first point, like what is this Microsoft Dynamics F&O? So this Microsoft Dynamics F&O is, we can call it as the ERP application. So what it do mainly is it is going to manage day-to-day activities of an organization. Let's say we have any accounting works which can be managed, or HR related. So everything is going to manage the Microsoft Dynamics 365 vendor application. So that is main use of this application is. And coming to this, how is, I mean, how will be the future of this D365 vendor? Okay, so let's move into, so this is basically, I'll just tell you in the short terms, because this is not completely a technical demo. So I just wanted to show you completely how this user interface and how the development environment looks like. Okay, so this is the development environment which you are going to develop an application. Depends on the user requirement. Okay, whatever the requirement given by the user, developer is going to fulfill, and those are called as a technical consultants. Okay, and who are interacting with the customers to know the requirement, those are called as a functionals. Okay, so we in this application, I mean, to manage this application, I mean, to work on this application, you have technical consultant, functional consultant, and you'll have a test also. I mean, you need to test the scenarios. Okay, so those are, like, we call it as a test consultants, or support consultants. So we have a different job roles which is available here, but majorly it is a functional consultant and technical consultant are considered. Okay, so now let's move into how this future. So you can also search, like, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, and you can able to see here. I have not gave any country here because I wanted to show you the worldwide openings. So for the first in Australia that you have, in Indeed you have the opportunities. You can just check, and from LinkedIn as well. Okay, you can also search via, and you can apply jobs via LinkedIn. This is also one of the greatest platform where you can apply jobs. Many people, most of the professional got jobs from LinkedIn as well. Okay, and LinkedIn, so you have the Jora, and this is for the, I think it's for the Australia. And if you can just see Naukri also, we have, see, there's a Naukri. If you can just see, you'll have a lot many. See here, 665 Microsoft Jobs Dynamics. So you have a lot many opportunities which you can expect on this particular technology. Okay, and you can, if you are in India, you can apply through Naukri, Indeed, LinkedIn. So you have to be very active while applying the jobs, and until unless you get the job. So definitely, because few people comments, I have seen the comments, like, I've tried this, but I didn't found that targeted which was I'm expecting. I didn't found it. Yes, because you have to be very consistent with all those three. You need to always update, and you need to always apply the jobs, because newly they'll add the jobs. Okay, job descriptions, and also please stay tuned to that applications, so that definitely you'll get the best. And as I told you already about the functional and technical, right? So you have the functional, which directly interact with the users and they should know complete business process of the client. That is a functional job. And technical is whatever the client requirement is that we are going to develop. Okay, as I'm a technical consultant, so we have to develop the application based on the customer requirement. Here uh few people have the doubt like, and what are the like opportunities that you can expect, like maybe the functional or technical. Okay, who have more opportunities? So one thing, both are having you know a great opportunities, but let me just tell you a basic idea of that. Okay, let's say there is a functional consultant, one functional consultant. Okay, now there are technical consultants. Let's say there are two technicals or three technicals. So now, as I told you just before, functional consultant is a person where he or she gets the requirement from the client, right? So now this functional consultant got 10 requirements from the client. So, or nine or eight requirements from the client. Okay, I'm just telling you, this is just an example, so you can consider it very easily. So here now, functional consultant got eight requirements from the client. Now, eight requirements cannot directly tell the only one technical consultant, because technicals have to develop, cannot develop eight requirements at a time. So what functional do is, he or she will split the work to the technical consultants. For example, let's say if this particular one technical consultant is a senior, so they will give the three. Okay, for they'll just give the three requirements to one person, and one more technical consultant. Let's say this is also a senior person, six. So now I'm just giving one of the junior person is like two. So they'll split the work here, right? So what it is going to happen, for one functional, there should at least need the three technicals, right? So you can just have the probability. So if you have like if in any of the company, if one functional is there, so under that particular one functional, they have to like be like three or four technical persons which should be available. So technical consultants requirement would be more than the functional consultant. But like both are valued professionals, and we have a lot many opportunities on both functionals and technicals. But more into the, like, more you'll be getting the opportunities for the technical consultant. Okay, so this is what like which I just wanted to tell you. And the last one, how are the packages? So here I just wanted to comment something. So we can't guess the packages because it differs from company to company. Okay, so if you can just check the packages, you can just go to the Glassdoor, India Glassdoor. If you are in India, if you are in Canada, you can just go to the Canada Glassdoor, and you can find the salaries, how the salaries are like the different companies are offering. Okay, right now, okay, this is saying. Let me just give it a try. Yeah, so basically this is from the I have opened from Microsoft site, so that's the reason that is giving. But okay, that's okay. So you will find a great jobs, great with great packages. Okay, for example, let's say I just wanted to tell you this is completely as of now like the predicted one. So this is not the exact one which I'm going to tell you. Okay, let's say if we have a 3 years or 3.5 years experience, so you can get minimum is like 12, and maximum up to you can just get it like 18 to 19, sometimes 20 20 LPA as well. So I'm just telling in the Indian currencies, okay, 20 LPA. And if you have like, so based on this, you can guess for the higher experience and low experience, less experience, right? Because for this is a medium package which they are offering. So yeah, so check it out because it depends on the sometimes it depends on the companies as well. A few companies may give up to 25 LPA as well. Few companies like they might be offering like 12, 13, 14, 15 lpa like that. So it completely depends on the companies. So and yeah, one more the last thing which I wanted to convey you is here we have both opportunities, remote opportunities and work from office, which is hybrid model. So you will find mostly remote as well. And here you will be finding both permanent payroll and contract to hire as well. So you'll have a different job types and also different work modes as well. Okay, so yeah, if you wanted to opt for very good career and which you wanted to completely switch your technology into this F&O, yes, definitely that would be a best because recently Microsoft have released one feature as well called as a Copilot, which is like world's number one, the for CRM and also F&O, which means an ERP application. They have released it, and for that you have a different advantages where you can predict insights or you have many advantages like it is completely an AI generated solutions for customers in CRM and ERP industry mainly. And the advantages for this is, AI helps to write some email responses to customers, and also we'll have some chat bots as well. And if you wanted to explore something, if you wanted to content creation, so if you wanted to, have to solve some complex calculations, you have like many things. So this is a Copilot feature which was introduced very recently, and as I told you, it's a world number one, which standing right now. So yeah, definitely we have a good future on this. Thank you so much, guys. If you wanted to, take trainings and for some, placement assistance, yes, you can connect with me. I'll just, drop my WhatsApp number below this. So you can just check it out. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe for more videos.